Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rao_KE, and first I'd like to wish you a happy Easter holiday, and thank you for always stopping by to check on my channel, checking on my videos. I don't take it for granted. I'm really humbled and I'm really grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for taking me to 800 subscribers, and I'm so humbled. I'm really humbled and I'm happy for that. When I started this thing, I didn't know that I would do something that would inspire anyone, but I'm glad that you like my videos and you keep checking and subscribing and continue hitting the like button, and let's do this together. So guys, today in my video, I'm just preparing something small for lunch because our dinner today is gonna be a special dinner, Easter dinner. But for lunch, since we are home, we've not eaten meat for the last 1 week because we were celebrating the season. You know what I mean by that. So today I'm gonna make some meat. So I'm gonna prepare some pork ribs. These are the pork ribs they're a bit frozen. These are the pork ribs I'm gonna prepare. But before I prepare, let me put on my work gear. Happy Easter to you all. I hope you have a wonderful one, and may it be meaningful to you wherever you're watching from. I was actually eating something before I started the video. Ice cream. It's very hot today. Allow me to finish this because it's actually melting. It has some nuts in it. So for those people who are new in my channel, if you're watching my video for the first time, I'm Rao_KE. I do videos about food, workplace, faith, and many other things. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm sorry, that was just a by the way, because I was actually eating before I started talking to you guys. So I have to make my pork ribs. First thing I need to do, this is cornstarch, just a little bit of cornstarch. Put in the meat. Some people may wonder why I put cornstarch. Cornstarch helps to tenderize the meat, and also it helps to clean it well. So with the cornstarch, and then I add some water in it. Sorry, my camera is a bit far from where I am, from where I'm working, but still I'll try as much as possible to let you see what I'm doing. So I've put the cornstarch here, so I have to wash the meat thoroughly. Okay, so that's how I washed it. So I'm gonna rinse it and wash it again and again. So I'm going to wash it. Okay, so I've washed the meat. That's the meat. So my meat is clean. I have a saucepan here that I'm gonna use. This is a bit loose. I need to fasten it before I use it. I feel like the handle is a bit loose, so I'm gonna fasten it. Just take a screwdriver and just screw it so make it tight, okay? Yes, good. Now it's good to go. So I need to prepare some ginger, and the pot is ready to put a little bit of oil on the pan. So my oil is actually ready. So what I'm gonna do is to put the pork in the oil. Make sure there's no water in it. Try to drain all the water as much as possible. So I'm actually starting the pork. I need to put the ginger in it. Put the ginger there. So this will cook for a while. So here I have the ingredients that I need to use. As I'm cooking pork today, I'm trying to cook it without many spices today. I don't feel like eating a lot of spices today. So I'll only use the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, some vinegar. Actually, vinegar should be here already. Some bit of vinegar, so just a little bit of vinegar. A little bit of vinegar to cook a little bit before I put the other things. Because if I put the oyster sauce now, and if I put the oyster sauce and the soy sauce, if I put them now, then it will dry the whole thing, and yet I need to give it time to cook a little bit. So I'll wash them, but meanwhile let me check on this. I'll wash the vegetables after this, so that I can cook the vegetables as well. So that's the pork, and I'm going to use some rock sugar just to just one rock sugar. Put it there, it will melt slowly as we go. So the rock sugar will melt. Meanwhile, I can put the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, and sauce. All the sauce in here. And put the oyster sauce, and the soy sauce, and then there's a little bit of star again. That's good, guys. I wash my veggies. Don't mind what you see on the screen, guys. I'm just washing my vegetables. just for the smell. Maybe 2 is okay, because they're not big. 2 will be fine. So these are bay leaves, just put that. And then I add some water to it to allow it to simmer for some time. The water that I put, oh, I forgot to put salt. I forgot the salt. But the soy sauce and the oyster sauce have got salt, so I don't need to put a lot of salt. Today I told you I'm not going to use any spices. I don't want black pepper. I don't want those things. Oh, sorry. I don't want to add the spices, so I'm just cooking it as plain as possible. That's what I want. From water to this. And let that water boil until it comes to like nothing is there. That's when the pork will be ready. So this water will cook the pork on a slow heat until all the water is gone. Then we will know the pork is ready. So guys, that will cook until it's ready. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop my vegetables. Then I'll show you my final product after the pork is ready and when the vegetables are ready. So when I finish cooking everything, I'm gonna cut the veggies, and the pork is cooking on a slow heat. When I finish, then I'll show you how it turns out to be. So stay tuned. So guys, my vegetables are ready. That's the vegetable. So just keep it aside. My pork is also ready. It's so nice, tastes good. So I've actually prepared the food that we need for lunch today. I have some rice here that I'm gonna serve with this food. Guys, that's how I make my food. And thank you for always staying by. That's the final product of what I cooked today. Oh, let me switch off the gas. I might end up forgetting. The vegetables and the pork. Thank you guys for watching. Rao_ is my YouTube name. Kindly consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.